everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to open, ta-da, my Lunarly. Lunarly is a subscription. It's $40 a month. Every other month you get a plant. Every other month after that you get like a candle, so it rotates. You get candle, you get plant, you get candle, you get plant, and then you get like 4 self items like bath crystals, or we'll see. Let's open this one. Now this one should be a candle. There was a snafu last month where all they were sending out was plants. Apparently something got messed up in the shipments. I'm unsure. I did went to start to film it and got confused, and then contacted them and then found out I had an email that explained everything. So this first box will be all of the additional items, and then the bottom of the box will have the candle. It just came right out. It comes in one of these things to keep it protected. So let's find out what we got. The June candle says June. It doesn't even tell me the undernotes or anything, but it's really pretty. It's like a 40-hour burn, 60-hour burn, I don't remember. But it's really pretty. I do have a bunch of these all over the place. This is like one of my favorite boxes, so I do get them all the time. Let's open up this box. This box will have all the paperwork, and we'll find out what moon it is. And it is the buck moon. So this gives you the buck, and it gives you a breakdown. So let's see if it tells me. The candle is a rosemary, lavender, and eucalyptus blend. So that's nice. So let's see what we got. It looks like this is a dream interpretation book, which is kind of neat to have. It kind of tells you a little bit about dreams. Not really the meanings, just like more of it like I do dream journals and readings. I don't actually break it down by, oh, you have a this and this, well, that's what this means, and goes finds it, because that's not exactly how that works. And I have a deep sleep pillow mist by Farm and Table with lavender and peppermint. I thought I had one of these, but maybe I didn't. That smells kind of good. It says apply to your pillow, spray in another area of your home. After testing this, spray the mist once over the pillow to help, I guess, you get better dreams or deeper sleep. The next item is the Lopolite. It's just a stone. It's a purplish white stone. So that's kind of neat. However, there it is. It says I got one of these, and that's more interesting to me. It says I have a selenite stick, and I like these. These are easier to cleanse your energy and do purifying and deep breaths. I haven't had one, so that's kind of nice. And that is the buck moon for Lunarly this month. Like I said, Lunarly is a $40 a month subscription box. Book says it's 10. But the candle is the winner, because you don't get that size of candle for pretty cheap. I mean, Yankee candles cost like $40. So cost of the box is the cost of the candle. And that is the box this month. If you like it or it seems interesting, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All my comments and all my handles and everything are in this description. I do not get paid for my videos in any way. This is solely what I do. I entertain myself with them. I pay for them myself. And so my unboxings are kind of weird. I don't script them or nothing. I do need to go so I can get ready for work, but I hurt your face, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.